Hello everyone, welcome back to Beginner's Life. In this video, we'll discuss conditional statements. Conditional statements are if, else, and elif. If statement is used for decision making operators. It evaluates the condition first and later it executes the output if the condition is satisfied. So I have declared A equals to 100, B equals to 200. If A greater than B, print A is greater. A is greater. If A greater than B condition satisfies, then only it prints that A is greater. Here A is not greater than B, right? So I am using else statement here. Print B is greater. So we'll get an output, right? B is greater. Since here B is greater than A. And we can also use elif. See, elif condition is used when if condition is not satisfied. It will check elif condition. If both the conditions are not satisfied, then it prints the statement which is in else. So here I have given elif A less than B, print B is greater, else print B is. So I am using here else none. So I am giving else statement as none. So B is greater. Okay, B is greater. I got an output as B is greater. In this way, you can also use elif condition. It will check both the condition in if and next elif. If both conditions are not satisfied, it print else. If any of the statement is satisfied, then it print either if statement or elif statement. We can also put pass, like if we don't have any content to get an output, so we can simply put as a pass. Okay. If A greater than B, and just I want to create a condition, but I don't want to get any output as an error, so I'll be using pass in a simple way. And we can also use AND operator. AND operator, we can get output if both the conditions satisfies. If it satisfies both the conditions, then you will get an output. Both the conditions are true. Conditions are true. True. Okay, it satisfies both the conditions and you will get an output here. Okay, and also we can use OR operator. If we want to use OR operator, just if it satisfies any of the conditions, then it will get an output. Okay, if A less than B, or it should satisfy any one condition from both, you will get an output if A less than B or B greater than C. A is less than B, right? So at least one condition is true. At least one condition is true. Is true. At least one condition is true. We'll get an output here. And next, we can also use nested if statements. Nested if statements. I'll be giving you the examples in the nested if statements. Like if A less than B, print A. If B less than C, print B. So nested if statements, if both the statements are true, it will get output. Otherwise, any one of the output will get. If both the statements are not correct, then we'll get else output. So if A less than B, print A, B less than C, print B, else print none. So if A less than B, condition satisfies, print A, B less than C, condition satisfies, so I got output.